Are you tired of being alone at home? So try this funny AI tool. Come to the first website, character.ai. See, there are so many characters to talk with. You can talk to anyone you want. So let me talk to famous people. So famous people, and there are so many famous people. So you can talk to anyone you want. So let me talk with her. She text me. So let me text her. Told her, I love your voice. And they told me, thank you, baby. I appreciate the love. So let me text her again. See how awesome they are replying me. This is really fantastic. I really enjoy talking to her. See, I just ask her when you are coming to Times Square, and they are replying me with a image. So this is so fantastic. Fully, if you are feeling bored at home, so they will fully entertain you. Come to the next website, replicate.com. Here you will have to give the prompt, choose the seed, click on submit. It hardly took 10 seconds and they converted a Pokemon to my text. So this is awesome. If you are a Pokemon lover, so try this website. You will really enjoy it. Come to the next website, recipes by AI. Here you will have to enter whatever is available at your home, and if you want to eat some very delicious food, so here you will have to enter whatever is available, and they will convert the whole recipe for you. So let me see. See, I just entered, generate my recipe. I had just given them potato, spinach, sugar, gram flour, and milk. They have given the recipe of a spinach and potato fritters. So this is awesome. So if you are feeling bored and if you want to eat something tasty, so try this website. You will really enjoy it. So come to the next website, roam around. So wherever you are, no matter it is a large city, a small city, or wherever you are living. And if you want to roam around, just give them your smallest city name and wherever you are living, and they will tell you where you will have to roam around nearby. So let me give it enter. See, even I just put it Nalanda, Bihar, and they have given the awesome result. Even this is a very small place, and they have given so many places to roam around. So this is very fantastic. Just try it wherever you are living, and if you want to roam around, try the next website, memeswift.com. So here you will have to upload the image, and they will just upload the image, and they will create the whole meme for you. So let me upload a image. I uploaded a image, generate meme. How beautifully they have just converted into meme. So this is amazing. Dealing with life, just roll with it, and you can just download it from here. Come to the next website, rooms.xyz/welcome. This is very funny and games like. So see how it works. So click on that. See, they are changing. So this is very awesome. So let me start the MacBook. So click on everyone. So click on every object. They will give you awesome result. Click on football. So this is very entertaining. So try this. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.